Welcome. If you've ever wanted to add your mother to your list of family members on your Facebook page using the latest update on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you, step by step, through the new and improved process so you can keep your profile up to date and celebrate your loved ones. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Give it a moment to load. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will take you directly to your profile. Now that you're on your personal profile page, take a look at the menu beneath your cover photo. Find and click on the section labeled About. This is where all your personal and contact information lives and where you can manage details about your family. Inside the About section, scroll until you see the option called Family and Relationships. Click to open it. Here, you'll find any family members you've already added. Or, if you haven't started yet, it's the perfect place to begin. Next, you'll notice a button that says Add Family Member. Click on that. A new field will appear, asking you to enter the name of the family member you want to add. Start typing your mother's name. If she's already on Facebook, her profile should appear in the list. Click to select her. Now, an important step. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Relationship. Click on it, and from the list of options, choose Mother. This tells Facebook exactly how you're related. To finish up, all you need to do is click Save. Facebook will update your family section, and if your mother accepts the tag, she'll appear as your mother on your profile. And that's it. Quick, straightforward, and done with just a few clicks. Show your appreciation for your mom by featuring her on your Facebook profile, and stay connected with your family online. Thanks for watching.